Now, this adds that little bit of amber, that's slider 7. So if I have it on red, it can give me a nice orange, as you see there, which that's pretty much what amber is. It adds that orange flavor to it. So it's not too much of a difference, but it does add that little bit that you may need to get that perfect color. And then slider 8 is a white. So that adds in a white LED. I can bring that up, and now it's a greenish white almost. You can kind of tell there. Maybe if I have it on blue, it'll give me now almost a bluish white or red. That almost makes it pink, a faded pink color. So that slider 8 brings in the white color. And the cool thing about this board, so I have all the devices selected here. If I change the intensity or color, it shows me on the board. So now I have it red, and if I bring it to a green or a blue, the colors on these numbers change, so I can kind of see what I'm doing there as well. And again, number 7 brings in a little bit of amber. You can see it turned to orange, and then this brings in some white. And saturation, you bring that out. Again, it makes it to where there's no hue, which is basically a white color. Now I can select whichever devices I want to control. So right now I have all 5 selected. Let's say I just want to control number 1. So I can do that, and I can change the hue. I can make that red. I can make that one blue or a purple. Or I can select all 3, or numbers 1, 3, and 5, and I can control those to do whatever color I want. Or I can do all 5 like I was showing you before. Now, to show you what they look like on stage, here is device 1. Here is device 2. And number 3. Number 4. And number 5. So I can select devices, let's just do 1 and 5, the 2 platforms. So I can select those, and I can change those to whatever color I want, and they work at the same time, which is really nice. Or I could select just device 1, and I could change that one by itself and work things that way. It's really nice if you need to get the exact color match to make it to where they work together, to where I can get the exact same color green instead of doing it one at a time. Now, for the center stage, I can make the diamonds whatever color I want as well. I can select numbers 1 and 2 and make those red, or make them a blue. I can't see super well with the camera. Set them up that way, and to make them kind of match and add a creative look. So I can set them up however I want, whatever colors I want. You want to make sure that they match with the slides, so that way it kind of looks good and uniform. But that is used through the intensity. You want to select the devices. Be careful not to find the perfect green that you want for the slides, and then you select numbers 2 and 3, and now it changed your color, and now you lost the green. So if you don't want to control the light, just turn it off, and then now I can control the other 2, and I don't worry about messing up what I've already done. So again, we have intensity, saturation, or I'm sorry, hue, saturation, amber, and white. And again, if we don't have the devices selected, then we can't do anything. It doesn't change anything. Select the device if you want them, whichever ones you want to control. Make sure you have